GPS stands for Global Positioning System. It is a satellite-based navigation system that allows users to determine their location, speed, and direction anywhere on Earth. GPS works by using a network of 24 satellites that orbit the Earth at an altitude of 12,550 miles, 20,200 km. These satellites transmit signals that are received by GPS receivers on Earth. The receivers use these signals to calculate their distance from the satellites. By knowing the distance to at least 4 satellites, the receiver can then determine its position on Earth. Here are the steps on how GPS works. 1. GPS satellites transmit signals that contain their position and time information. 2. GPS receivers receive these signals and measure the time it takes for the signals to travel from the satellites to the receiver. 3. The receiver then uses this information to calculate its distance from the satellites. 4. By knowing its distance from at least 4 satellites, the receiver can then determine its position on Earth. GPS is a very accurate system. The accuracy of GPS depends on a number of factors, including the number of satellites in view, the quality of the receiver, and the environment in which the receiver is used. In general, GPS can be accurate to within a few meters. GPS is used in a wide variety of applications, including navigation, mapping, surveying, and timekeeping. It is also used by the military, law enforcement, and emergency services. Here are some of the benefits of using GPSE. Accuracy. GPS is a very accurate system, with an accuracy of a few meters. Global coverage. GPS works anywhere on Earth, as long as there is a clear view of the sky. Ease of use. GPS receivers are relatively easy to use. Cost effectiveness. GPS is a cost-effective way to determine location. Here are some of the limitations of using GPSE. Jamming. GPS signals can be jammed, which can prevent GPS receivers from working properly. Signal blockage. GPS signals can be blocked by buildings, mountains, and other obstacles. Accuracy. GPS accuracy can be affected by a number of factors, such as the environment and the quality of the receiver. Overall, GPS is a very accurate and versatile system that is used in a wide variety of applications.